Hi everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Ishan and I'll be your instructor for today. Have you ever had a situation where you thought your video recording was going great, only to find afterwards that a stranger was speaking loudly in the distance, or the AC created a lot of echo in your room? As content creators, we understand what that experience is like and that it can be a pain to edit the audio afterwards. But rest assured, you've come to the right place, because in this episode, we will discuss how you can fix bad audio and remove background noise in seconds. So let's get right into it. First, you want to go to your web browser and type in Adobe Podcasts. In addition to the Adobe Creative Suite software, this incredible program contains AI-powered audio tools that assist in creating studio-quality voiceovers and podcasts. If you run your own podcast, shoot videos for clients, or create social media content online, this is the perfect tool for you. In the content creation world, better audio can lead to higher levels of audience retention and engagement. Once you're on the website, click the Enhanced Speech tab and it will ask you to create an account. You can either subscribe to the free version or the premium access version with extended features. The free version allows users to enhance audio only, upload one file at a time, and that file can only be 30 minutes maximum in duration. On the other hand, the premium access enables video support for MP4 files, MOV, and more. You can also bulk upload audio files, adjust sound strength, and enhance up to 4 hours of audio per day with unlimited downloads. If you're passionate about making videos or podcasts for the long term, we recommend the premium access version. Okay, once I drag my MP3 or MP4 file into the Enhanced Speech tab, I let it analyze for a few seconds. And there you have it. I can now easily toggle the strength of the enhanced audio. I personally would not recommend going over 90% strength, since it may cause the audio to sound too robotic or unnatural. You want to keep it at 90% or less to remove the unnecessary background noise and sound natural at the same time. Once you're comfortable with the adjustments, you can download the audio file and insert it into your video editor for mixing and exporting. Welcome back to Train. Today we are going to help you fix bad audio. Welcome back to Train. Today we are going to help you fix bad audio. With that being said, you can now save time and enhance your audio with AI. We hope you found this video helpful and hit the like and subscribe button for more. See you next time.